in this video we're gonna learn LEN function. Using this function is pretty simple. This function counts a number of characters in a text and return it as a number. Let's try it. First one is deaco. We want to count how many characters in this text we have. Just simply we can use len, then F2, the address of the cell consists of the text, and it's 6. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just remember, LEN function counts every character in a text string, including spaces. So here, this text, it is I can. We have 4 letters and a single space between them. So actually we have 5 characters. Let's try it. Len, F3, and you see it's 5 character. 1, 2 is a space, 3, 4, and 5. And here we have some characters and also a space here. We want to try this one too. Len, F4, and 6. 6 characters we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you understood that LEN function counts all kind of characters in a text string.
In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Diaco Ltd. And if you want to see our products, please visit our website diaco.co.uk.